ever pondered the future of AI? Well, hold on to your circuit boards, because recent developments from Google I/O 2024 have propelled us light years ahead in the AI landscape. First up in our AI newsreel, Google Search has decided to show off its creative side. Generative AI now powers the search engine, promising to deliver results that are as unique and dynamic as a Jackson Pollock painting. Next, we turn the spotlight on Gemini, Google's AI-powered chatbot. Gemini has always been the life of the party, but now it's even more sociable with Gemini Live. Imagine a chatbot that not only responds to your queries, but also has the ability to host live interactions. It's like having your own personal talk show host right in your pocket. And guess what? Gemini has also decided to take up a side gig, adding email management to its many talents. Now, Gemini integration in Gmail can sort through your emails with the precision of a master chef, slicing and dicing through a vegetable medley. Speaking of photos, Google Photos now boasts the Ask Photos feature. It's like a search engine, but for your photo library. Lost that picture of your cat in a sombrero? Ask Photos will find it faster than you can say meow. Now let's talk about Veo. It's Google's answer to creating quick video clips. It's like having a Hollywood film crew in your pocket, ready to capture your every move. And not to forget, Google's new feature to detect scams during calls. It's like having a digital guard dog, ready to sniff out any fraudsters. Google's commitment to accessibility is also worth noting. The TalkBack feature for Android has been enhanced with AI, making it an even more reliable companion for those in need. But that's not all. Google I/O also saw the unveiling of Project Astra, a supercharged version of Google Assistant. Astra is like your personal superhero, using real-time computer vision capabilities to conquer your tasks. Meanwhile, OpenAI's ChatGPT has been flexing its muscles with a spring update. Powered by the GPT-4o model, it now boasts enhanced human-like conversational abilities across audio, vision, and text. It's as if ChatGPT decided to become a polyglot, learning new languages like audio and vision. In conclusion, these advancements are not just about making our lives easier. They represent the pinnacle of human innovation, a testament to our innate desire to continually push the boundaries of what is possible. This is not simply a case of creating new technologies. It's about engineering a brave, new world where artificial intelligence is seamlessly woven into the fabric of our everyday existence. Imagine waking up in the morning, not to the shrill tone of an alarm clock, but to the soft voice of your AI assistant, gently rousing you from sleep with a personalized morning greeting. Your coffee machine, synced to your sleeping patterns, already has your favorite brew ready. As you sip your coffee, your AI-powered smart home to adapt to your morning routine, adjusting the room temperature, playing your favorite music, and briefing you on your schedule for the day. Beyond the walls of your home, AI is revolutionizing numerous sectors. In healthcare, AI systems are streamlining diagnosis, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. In the field of education, AI is not just aiding teachers in delivering personalized learning experiences, but also enabling students to learn at their own pace, thereby democratizing the learning process. AI technology is even making its mark in the realm of transport. Imagine a world where AI-driven vehicles become the norm, where gridlocks, and traffic jams become a thing of the past. With AI at the helm, vehicles will communicate with each other, adjusting speeds and routes in real time to ensure optimal traffic flow. In the world of business, AI algorithms are being used to streamline processes, predict market trends, and deliver personalized customer experiences. Companies are leveraging to gain a competitive edge, utilizing machine learning algorithms to sift through vast amounts of data and derive actionable insights. In the world of art and culture, AI is being harnessed in ways that were once unimaginable. Artists are using AI to push the boundaries of creativity, creating works of art that challenge our perceptions and stimulate our senses. AI is even being used to resurrect lost languages and to preserve cultural heritage for future generations. Even in the field of entertainment, AI is making its presence felt. From AI-generated music to movies, the entertainment industry is being transformed, creating immersive and engaging experiences for audiences worldwide. But at the heart of it all is the simple yet profound idea that AI is more than just a tool. Of us, a reflection of our ambitions, our hopes, our dreams. As we stand at the cusp of this AI revolution, it's evident that the possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. To watch these AI developments unfold, it's clear that the future of AI is here. And it's more exciting than ever.